Hey everyone, I'm James, and you're watching Infoverse, where we bring you the biggest stories shaping our world fast, clear, and engaging way. Do you think you know everything about Warren Buffett's wealth secrets? Think again. Everyone talks about his stock picks, everyone mentions Berkshire Hathaway, but there's one strategy he's been using quietly for decades that almost nobody talks about. And here's the crazy part. You can start using it today. No millions required. No Wall Street connections needed. Stay with me because what I'm about to share could completely change how you think about building wealth. Okay, so picture this. It's 1956. Warren Buffett is just 26 years old. He doesn't own Berkshire Hathaway yet. He's not a billionaire. He's just starting out. But he does something brilliant that most people completely overlook. Instead of chasing the hottest stocks, instead of trying to time the market, he focuses on something totally different. He creates what he calls his inner scorecard. Now you're probably thinking, what the heck is an inner scorecard, right? Here's where it gets juicy. While everyone else was measuring success by their bank account size or what their neighbors thought, Buffett measured success by one thing only. Did he make the right decision based on his own values and knowledge? But that's not even the game-changing part. The real strategy goes deeper. Here's what Buffett actually did with this mindset that made him billions. Number one, he stopped comparing himself to others. While his friends were buying expensive cars and big houses to impress people, he stayed in his modest Omaha home. That home he bought in 1958 for $31,500. He still lives there today. Number two, he invested the difference. All that money people waste on impressing others, he funneled it into assets that actually grow. Number three, he played the long game. We're talking decades of compound growth while everyone else was chasing quick wins. But here's the twist that nobody sees coming. This wasn't just about money. Buffett realized something profound. When you stop living for other people's approval, when you stop trying to keep up with the Joneses, you make smarter financial decisions. No pressure to buy that luxury car you can't afford. No stress about having the newest iPhone. No FOMO on risky investments just because your cousin's doing it. And the result? Freedom. Freedom to invest wisely, freedom to think clearly, freedom to build real wealth. So here's your action plan right now. Ask yourself, am I building wealth for me, or am I spending money to impress people I don't even like? Start creating your inner scorecard today. Define what financial success means to you. Not your friends, not Instagram, not society, you. Then, redirect that impression money into investments, index funds, real estate, your education, your business, whatever aligns with your values. Because here's the truth bomb. Warren Buffett became a billionaire not by following the crowd, but by having the courage to ignore it. You don't need to be Warren Buffett to use this strategy. You just need to be brave enough to stop caring what everyone else thinks about your money. The wealth you're looking for, it's hiding in the approval you're seeking. Now go out there and start building your version of success. This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Warren Buffett's investment strategies and personal philosophies are summarized here for illustrative purposes. Always conduct your own research and consult with qualified financial professionals before making investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Individual results may vary. Thanks for watching Infoverse. If you found this eye-opening, hit like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead of the stories shaping our economy and our lives. I'm James. See you in the next episode where knowledge turns into power.